What's up everybody, welcome to another interesting tech review video. Today we are gonna talk about a portable SSD which comes with a display panel, and you know what, the display panel is a touchscreen one, so we can do everything on the display panel. Yeah, you have got it right. Today we are gonna talk about MoveSpeed GD10 portable SSD with touchscreen. Okay, before you start this review, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
Don't say I didn't warn ya. Stay mad, I know you wanna. This might hurt, but that's just karma. That's just.
MoveSpeed GD10 is built for performance, offering 1 TB of storage and a USB 3.2 Gen 2 interface that supports data transfer up to 10 gigabit per second. This high-speed capability works across Mac, Windows, and smartphones. That means it also covers Android, iOS, and iPadOS. So it's a versatile option for users who frequently switch between devices. In speed tests, GD10 reached read speeds of 1054.77 MB per second and write speeds of 965.93 MB per second on Windows. And what about Mac? Well, it's mind-blowing. Well, this type of data transfer speed makes it ideal for managing large files like high-resolution videos and extensive photo libraries. These speeds help streamline workflows by reducing wait times, which is especially beneficial for tasks that require frequent file transfers or access to data-heavy content. For those working in content creation, photography, or other data-intensive fields, the fast and consistent performance of MoveSpeed GD10 portable SSD with touchscreen ensures efficient data handling and keeps up with demanding workloads. One of the GD10's standout feature is its 1.83-inch touchscreen, which provides real-time data like device temperature and connection speed. Within this display, just below the main information, are 3 functional buttons. The left button opens the password screen for security, offering quick access to set up passwords. The middle button allows users to check disk temperature and connection speed, while the right button opens settings, where options like language selections and 3 customizable UI themes are available.
Everything you want, but you can't have. Number one regret, no take back.
Another security-enhancing feature is the log that records any password entry errors, giving users an extra level of protection.
Just like I could take
GD10 also includes the one-click lock option, enabling users to secure and disconnect the drive instantly. This combination of touchscreen functionality and built-in security features makes the GD10 a practical choice for users who need both convenience and data protection. Constructed from durable zinc alloy, MoveSpeed GD10 is designed for everyday portability while withstanding frequent use. It includes a rear panel that assists in heat dissipation, which helps maintain stable performance during high-speed transfers. Additionally, GD10 has a small fidget feature on its side, adding a unique touch as a mini EDC element for users who like a little extra interaction. The drive also supports tracking through Apple's Find My network, meaning it can be located if connected to an Apple device. This tracking capability can be especially valuable for those who travel with their drives or carry sensitive data, providing reassurance that it can be retrieved if misplaced or lost. Well, at the core, it's a portable SSD, and the added features actually makes it the king of portable SSD. Yeah, MoveSpeed GD10 portable SSD with touchscreen is compatible with a variety of devices, from smartphones and tablets to laptops, mini PCs, and desktops, making it adaptable for users with diverse setups. Yeah, in this studio we use iPad, Mac Studio, Mac Mini, iMac, MacBook Pro. Yeah, the MacBook Pro is behind me, and I'm using an iPad The editor uses a Mac Studio. The scriptwriter uses a Mac Mini. We also have a lot of mini PCs, gaming PC, and a lot other devices, a lot other laptops and tablets. So we have tried this MoveSpeed GD10 with all the tablets, laptops, desktops, mini PCs, and all the smartphones. It works perfectly fine. Not only that, this SSD combines fast data transfers, touchscreen functionality, data encryption, and Apple Find My integration, bringing together practical features in a compact design. I believe this is priced reasonably and affordably, so it's not beyond general users' reach. Well, if you want to know about the negative aspects of this GD10, then at this moment, what I can think of is the display panel doesn't rotate automatically. Yeah. Other than that, it's a perfect SSD drive, which comes with a, okay, I'm repeating, it comes with a display panel, added protection, security, encryption, and it works with Apple Find My integration. Before I have got this GD10 here in this studio, I have been using many other SSD drives, and yeah, we will continue to use a lot of SSD drives, but this GD10 from MoveSpeed, it's gonna be my favorite from now on. I mean, until I get something or anything that's better than this, and I heavily doubt within this price range I will get to have anything better. Anyway, I have left a link of this MoveSpeed GD10 in the description box. Go ahead, check this product. But before that, one request. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
Go and play the part, play the victim.